just a minute. Now start.
Yes, sir.
Bolo.
The practical copy, the pages are not perfect A4 size, that are a little bit smaller than A4 size. Is that eligible?
Yes, eligible. All right.
Okay, sir. And in our front of this practical copy, will you have to paste white page and then we have to decorate that?
If you like, you can decorate it. If you don't like, there is no need.
Okay, sir.
Any other boy? If you have Devan, your question is over. You can lower down your hand. Sasmit Sanyal.
Yes, sir.
Bolo, ki bolche bolo. Sasmit, do you have any question you are telling? Unmute yourself, Sasmit. Unmute. Maybe I am not able to hear you. Unmute it. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Here I made it.
Yes,
Now are you please? Now please tell what you wanted to say.
Multiple color pens.
Bring your mic near to your mouth.
Sir, can we use multiple colored pens?
Please, I can't follow you. What you want to say? You can write in chat box. Let me see what you want to say. Anna, all right. Who is there now? Next one. Okay, ache. বলো আর এখন কি আছে অভিনন্দন কাজ হয়ে গেছে সাগনিক do you want to say anything Sagnik
Yes, sir.
বলো
Yes, sir. Sir, it is okay if we don't paste any pictures.
it's okay. All right, it's okay.
Okay,
It's
sir.
okay.
Sir, and if we want to paste pictures, it will be black and white or colored.
Anyway, in any way, whatever brings you
Okay,
in
sir.
charm. So next, Devan Bal is over, and Devan, do you have anything to ask? Devan?
Yes, Maharaj. Maharaj, should we have to can we paste some pictures which are from internet, or we have to only draw the pictures?
See, this has been asked many times. All right, you can take 3 pictures from internet. All right.
Okay.
Now who is there? Devan is over. You lower down your hand. Those who have completed. Sasmit, you still have some doubt? Please ask now. Or if you don't have asked, then remove your hand.
Do we use multiple colored pens?
কি বলছো?
Can we use multiple colored pens?
Yes. No, not multiple. Only white.
And sir, should we give a margin?
Yes, and it's very natural. Without margin, how you will plug them? How you will make a thread, na?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, beta. Abhinandan, your work is over. Now, Prithvish, তুমি কিছু বলবে? Prithvish, বলো। Prithvish, বলো।
স্যার আমাকে অরিজিৎ পুরো আনমিউট করে দিয়েছিল। আর স্যার আমার কোশ্চেনটা হচ্ছে, স্যার স্বামীজির মন্ত্রকে বানিয়েছিলেন?
স্বামীজির মন্ত্রটা যে বানিয়েছিলেন সেটা হচ্ছে আমাদের ডাইরেক্ট ডিসাইপলস এর ভিতরে যে শ্রী রামকৃষ্ণ দেবের যে ডিসাইপলস ছিলেন, সন্ন্যাসী শিষ্যরা ছিলেন, তার ভিতরেই একজন সন্ন্যাসী শিষ্য বানিয়েছিলেন। তাদের নামটা তোমাদেরকে খুঁজতে বলা হয়েছিল। আমি মুখে বলবো না, বললে আবার মুশকিলে পড়ে যাবো। সবাই বলবে আমিও জানি। তোমাদেরকে বলা হয়েছিল তোমরা খোঁজো, এটাকে জানো কে করেছিল, তাই না? আর মায়ের একটা মন্ত্র আছে যে আমরা পাঠ করি, সেটাও তোমাদেরকে বলা হয়েছিল কে করেছিল। আর শ্রী রামকৃষ্ণ দেবের মন্ত্রটা কে করেছিল সেটাও তোমাদেরকে জানানোর জন্য বলা হয়েছে। এইসব জিনিসটা আমি একটা ক্লাসে তোমাদেরকে আই হ্যাভ অলরেডি স্পোকেন টু ইউ, আমি তোমাদেরকে জানিয়েছিলাম। ডু ইউ নো দিস থিং?
ইয়েস মহারাজ।
তোমাদেরকে একটা যখন when we went to the assembly hall and we visited there. So many pictures we have talked about them. So many paintings were there. So on that day we discussed who made it. যেমন ঠাকুরের যেটা শ্রী রামকৃষ্ণ মহামন্ত্রা ओम स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्म स्वरूपिणे अवतार वरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः. This was made by Swami Vivekananda itself. All right. This was first uttered শিবপুরের কাছে একটা বাড়ি আছে, সেখানে এই ঘোষ বাবুদের একটা বাড়ি আছে, সেখানে there Sri Ramakrishna, this mantra was made by Swami Vivekananda by worshipping. And তারপরে হচ্ছে মায়ের যে মন্ত্র হচ্ছে, আমি দুটো বলবো, থার্ডটা আমি বলবো না, থার্ডটা তোমাকে খুঁজতে হবে। মায়ের যেটা হচ্ছে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি জননীম শারদাম দেবীম রামকৃষ্ণম জগদ্গুরুম পাদপদ্মে তয়ো শ্রিত্বা প্রণমামি মুহুর্মুহু। এটাও যে আছে তারই সন্ন্যাসী শিষ্য আছেন, তিনি বানিয়েছিলেন। সেটা যে আছে এটাও আমি বলেছিলাম, সেটা কিন্তু বলবো না। আচ্ছা, নমঃ শ্রী রাজায় বিবেকানন্দ সুরয়ে সচ্চিৎ সুখ স্বরূপায় স্বামী নে তাপন, এটাও তোমাদেরকে বলেছিলাম। ডাইরেক্ট ডিসাইপলস যারা শ্রী রামকৃষ্ণ দেবের সন্ন্যাসী শিষ্য ছিলেন তাদের ভিতরে একজন বানিয়েছিলেন। তোমাদেরকে হিন্ট দিয়ে রাখলাম, সেটা ওনার এই সন্ন্যাসী শিষ্য খুব প্রিয় ভাই বন্ধু ছিলেন, তিনি এটা বানিয়েছেন। এখন এই দুটো যেটা আছে সেটা তোমাদেরকে খোঁজ করতে, কেন ওই দিন আমি বলেছিলাম, আমার যতটুকু মনে হচ্ছে, তোরা আমার পুরানো রেকর্ডিং একটু দেখবে, তো ওটাতে তুমি খুঁজে পাবে। আচ্ছা, আর কোনো প্রজেক্টের সম্পর্কে কারো যদি কোনো তথ্য, সুজাত স্যার তোমার হ্যান্ড রেজ করা আছে, বন্ধ করো। স্বপ্নিল ব্যানার্জি, I will ask you to now come to and come and ask what you want to say. So Prithvish, I am removing you now from a spotlight. Now come. Swapnil, please speak.
Yes, my question is, can we cut and paste pictures from newspapers?
Yes, you can do. And now any other person? Narith will come. Narith, bolo ki bolchen, what you want to ask? Any question?
Maharaj, can you please tell that with which inks we can do the project? Should we use blue pens?
Oh yes, why not? So
Maharaj, I have another doubt.
bolo.
Maharaj, can we write with sketch pens?
Oh yes, you can manage it.
Okay,
But
Maharaj.
complete. If you complete with sketch pen, then backside of the paper there will be mark, and it will be
Yes.
not readable. So use it with
Okay.
your own consciousness that whether
Okay.
it will be useful or not in this. So
Okay.
now,
And sir, for heading, can we use any other color pen like black color for headings?
reading.
No sir, heading.
Oh yes, heading you can make like that.
Okay.
So now I am just reading out the topics etc. which already have been sent to you. See, so there are 5 topics which we have given to you for your project, and these things already we have discussed many times. I think I have taken all the questions asked by you people. Any other headers? Soumyadip Biswas, do you have anything? Soumyadip, do you have anything to ask?
Yes, sir. I have a question that can we highlight the headings in our project works?
Yes,
Can we
naturally.
highlight them?
Yes, it is already asked one of your friend, and I already replied it. Thank you, beta. Now, who is there? Sagnik, we have already discussed with you. I think there is nobody who needs more question. Let me repeat the. So those who are raising your hand, Prithvish, now you are raising your hands and legs, everything. So now you can lower them down. Now I am repeating all that 5 topics. Prithvish, should I remove yourself, or you will be in discipline? Lower your all those hands. Those who have completed, please lower down your hands. This Aritya Mandal, I think you have first time you are called. Is there anything you want to ask? Aritya Mandal? Aritya, do you have anything to ask? Aditya, regarding projects. Aditya? Aditya? Aditya, I think Aditya, bolo.
Yes, sir. I have doubt in the project work number 2.
Oh, I have not yet spoken the this one topics. I will come to. Bolo. Hello. I am reading out what the message has been sent by our headmaster. And Aditya also wanted to ask about some point about second. See, first one, there are 5 topics we have given you, and you have to opt single one point. You have to opt one topic and discuss. Abhinandan, are you walking, talking, what are you doing? Abhinandan? Abhinandan, what happened? You unmute yourself, Abhinandan.
Sir.
Hello.
Sir, I could not understand.
What you could not understand?
Sir, I could not understand the project. That out of 5 topics, I could not understand the number 2. Explain everyone wants peace from which 3 categories and the easy.
Yes. Yeah, I'm coming to it. I'm coming to it.
Sir.
I'm coming to it. So,
Sir, you unmuted me.
all right. If you have any question you wanted to ask, all right. Then let us read it out. All right. Aditya, is wonderful question you have asked. The rest of the people, those who are very much learned, they were asking which paper and which pen and which sketch and which this, they were doing only this much. So you have asked when this one. So let me read out all the topics, and you discuss these topics and many other points which still you have in your mind. You can remove the doubts. See, there are 5 topics for this project, and you will discuss, read, study, and research on it with the help of internet, with the help of your own mind, with the help of your own intellect, and with the help of your parents. And you will complete it. See, there is some disturbance. Let me remove it. थोड़ा सा भी आने से आवाज मजेदार है ये सब. See, now I am just reading it out. First point is the necessity of Vidyarthi Vrata and how to achieve the purpose of it. This was the one, you can say this was a wonderful class. That time we could not have a recording, but still that class was very wonderful. We have discussed all the Vidyarthi Vrata mantra. Aditya, I think you might be knowing, and all other boys you might be knowing that Vidyarthi Vrata, you have come here for what purpose Vidyarthi Vrata has been taken when you have started your life as a student, because we completed our education through school and colleges and master degrees, whatever it is, still we all are learning in this age also. So everybody is a student, and you started your life as a studentship. See, there is no way of going for any service or any employment, but you are employed yourself as a student. As a student, you are coming to school. As a student, you are attending classes. As a student, your parents are teaching you so many good things. So these are the wonderful ideas which a studentship we are having. You have to manage, you have to discuss Vidyarthi Vrata. Vidyarthi Vrata means we have so many of vows taken that particular day, and there you can have that how one person become a good student, that you discuss there. Already we have discussed in our class. So those points, those who have noted down, and the paper which you have got that day for the mantras, accordingly you can make a project. So that is a wonderful project. If somebody takes, I welcome him. Second point, in the same first point, that is how to achieve the purpose of it. Naturally, if you want to achieve, you have to keep studying for whole life. How you will do it, that is up to you. How you will mention this topic, how you will elaborate this topic, it is up to you. Now let us start. Second point. Second point is little bit tricky, little bit twisting, but the easiest way. See, you are asking me a question when I am discussing all the projects. You are asking me, still you are asking me clues, but we have already discussed about Shanti mantra. One person asked this question to me in our class, that why we are speaking 3 times Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Do you know? One guy asked, I don't know the name, I have written the name. Is a wonderful person who have asked this question, that Swamiji, why we are asking Shanti for 3 times. Kon Sujat sa tumi bolechile? Sujat? Ha. So this is the question based on Sujat sa's queries. It's a wonderful query. It's a very intelligent question. And the reply is also done by our rishis, our sages in Vedas. And there are Sagnik is asking in chat box that please give us the name who made all the mantras. See, I have gave you one name. Rest 2 of the names you have to bring out. I already uttered it. I already have spoken it. So if you will ask now, when the projects are getting ready from your side, it means I have given every clue to you. So better you don't ask this question now. Achha. Now, Sojatsa, which he asked, that there are 3 times we are uttering Shanti, 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 and I discussed 3, why these 3, and that you please write down, that you please discuss in that particular project. What is the question? Explain everyone wants peace from which 3 categories. There are 3 categories, means there are 3 types of Shanti which we want. Aditya, you can understand this point. There are 3 types of Shantis which we have discussed there in your class, and you can see your notes if you have taken their notes, because the recording is not available, I think. So that was a very wonderful class that day. And these 3 Shantis, for those 3 Shantis only we are uttering the mantra Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So these are the things which you can write down there and discuss it. Third point is very easy for you all. We all are now struggling with the corona world, with the corona waves, with the corona fevers. Many of you or many of your parents or many of your friends, they have undergone this corona problem. So what is the immunity? How the safety measures can be taken by our families? Those you can mention there. That is related to corona and my immune family. My immune family, it means you are still attending classes. It means your family is immune, your family is protecting you, your family is taking care of all the measurements which were needed for the safety from corona. So discuss about corona there, discuss about the precautions there. You can share the picture of coronavirus, how it was started, how it is spread all around, what is the future perspective of this mutation of this coronavirus, and how we can save ourselves, how India is struggling, what injections are there, and those things you can discuss in third project, Corona and my immune family. Now, fourth point is very important. You can discuss here about the Olympics. When Olympics first was played, when India first appeared in Olympics, what is the present scenario, how many of gold medals we are getting, and the source from where you are putting down in that project, that source also you have to mention, from which website you have taken, because WhatsApp, if you take from WhatsApp messages, that will not be allowed. See, if somebody has sent the message, see, India has won such and such thing, and there is no reference, there is no resource. See, Sojata has made a message. See, today we have beaten American swimmer, and we have got the gold medal. So how will you believe about Olympics, about the utterance of Sojat? Will you believe it? No. There must be some resource, some sources, authentic sources must be accepted there. So this is the Olympic and India. Now another point which we have given there, fifth point. See, this is very mature question, and it cannot be done without discussing your parents. If somebody has attended this class properly, I have recorded this class and it is there in your YouTube channel also. If you can go through that one, see, this is the question, is very highly a mature person only can write from your side. What is the question? That Sarvamangala's story we all have read. Here Sarvamangala and the Brahmin. Now I am making you poor Brahmin. Take it as a drama, take it as an action, take it as a story happened to you. Take it as if Ambrish is poor Brahmin. Take it as Sayak Saha is poor Brahmin. Take it as a Saptashva is poor Brahmin in the story of Sarvamangala. Take it as if Agni Jyoti is poor Brahmin and he is having a daughter. His name is Sarvamangala. Like that you take it. If you are there as a poor Brahmin, if Swapnil is as a poor Brahmin, so keep yourself there. And now you think how you will treat that Mother Durga, because Mother Durga herself came in the form of Sarvamangala. All right. So we have completed our today's class, and I wanted to talk to you about these 5 topics. I think everything I have completed here. And now, is there any question, or we can now leave now? Is there any question anyone can raise? Agni Jyoti is asking some question. Agni Jyoti, bolo kya bol rahe ho?
Sir, I am telling, if we write half from mind and half from net, then what we have to write in the source of matter?
See, when you are writing, when you are compiling, your name is already written with whose copy it is, who is the project maker. And source means when you are taking from any other sources, from other than our books, other than our classes, then you must write the source. As if you have taken from the Navbharat Times, as you have taken from telegrams, as you have taken from Anand Bazar Patrika, or if you have taken it from internet to some particular website, you have to mention.
Sir, then if we write a topic from mind and net both, then we have to write my mind and from net.
No, for my mind,
website
for your mind, you need not to write in my mind, but okay, from any other source, because you are assimilating everything in your mind, na? Because you are assimilating everything. You are bringing from your own thought. There is no need to write my mind. You are giving your name on the project itself. So there is no need.
Sir, who will check it? He will thought that everything is from the website, and then when he will open the website, he will find that everything is not same. Then
there is no need. You need not to think what will happen when copies will come to us. Okay, you have to think up to the level when you are putting your labor on your work. Understand? There is no need to think on any other thing. So lower your hand, removing the spotlight. Now again, Devainbal, again tumi escho. Tomar ki ekhon jinishta holo. Bolo.
Yes, Maharaj. Maharaj, do we have to cover the front of the copy?
There is no need. If you want, you can do.
And if we want to decorate with some...
yes, carry on. Tumi decorate karo, sajao. Asal kotha hoche, kajer kothata hoye gelo.
আর স্যার নামটা কোথায় লিখবো? আমার নিজের নাম লিখতে হবে না?
নিশ্চয়ই ওখানে লিখতে লাগবে when you first page you have to write all right এই সব বাচ্চা বাচ্চা তুমি প্রশ্ন করো তুমি এত জিনিসটা জানো তবে আচ্ছা next who is there অভিনন্দন তোমার কথা হয়ে গেছে আয়ুষ্মান you have any question বলো Ayushman do you have any question
Yes, Maharaj, I have a question that, Maharaj, can we use black pen for highlighting
oh
the
yes
heading?
yes this question is over any other question
And Maharaj, can we do, can I draw the pictures on the A4 white pages?
yes that is also over all right
Okay.
now who is the person behind Sagnik again bolo
Yes, sir. So I am telling that where to send the board. Sir, we have to only send the paper or with the board.
I could not understand again bolo dobara bolo
Yes, sir. We have to send the paper with board or without the board.
oh it is up to you if you want the safety of your papers you can send it with the board
Okay, sir.
all right any other boys Ayushman hoye geche now lower your down so now we can complete our class so let us start om shanti 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 hari om tat sat shri ramakrishna arpanamastu thank you guys we will meet afterwards next week